All this doing $100.
Me and my son have $100 bet that I won't get the 57 Chevy, at least to drive around the block by the end of the year. $100. And as he knows, I don't lose bets. So since I sold him my LQ9 or LQ4 and 4L80E, I told him I was going to put a Chevette engine in there, just so I could take him for a ride around the block and get my $100. Well, if it wasn't for me wasting my time with another car, I would have had the motor pulled out of this one. And started putting it into 57. There's the engine hoist. Now, do I need to take on another project that's never going to get finished? Probably not. Am I going to do it? Hell yeah. $100. Don't lose bets. 65 furious horsepower. Chevette motor with a bad water pump. 57 Chevy with no motor. Gonna put them two together and win my bet and $100. Stay tuned. Chevette engine's ready to run. All I gotta do is put some fuel on it. Self-contained. I got some gas. I don't have any gas in here. It'll be in there pretty soon. Just gotta make a gas line with a gas can, make some motor mounts, a quick transmission mount, hook up a drive shaft, win my $100 before the end of the year. Okay, so the 57 Chevy with the Chevette engine is there. Motor mounts are done. Transmission mount is done. It's in there. It starts up. Just got to put some fluids in it. Put a gas can so it'll have some gas. So it's in there. Should be done before the end of the year. Drive shaft is in place. Just got to get a new universal. Bed frames from transmission mount and motor mounts. Bed frame is very useful. Just got to zip screw those in there. Remember, this is only to go around the corner to win my bet. And no, it's not about the $100. It's about the bet. I don't like losing bets, so I'm going to win this one. So probably the only 57 Chevy in the world with a Chevette engine. So stay tuned. It'll be driving pretty soon. I'll win the bet, collect my $100. Was it worth it? Yes, it was.
All this doing $100. Oh, shit.
Who beat the bet? I got it. And you're gonna send a video of you driving behind me to prove that it went around the corner, right? Alright, done deal. See? A bet's a bet. $100. I'm gonna use that on the 57. There you go. 57 Chevy with a Chevette 1.6 just to beat a bet. Not for the $100, it's for the bet just to beat. I don't lose bets. Yep.